The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies Review. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is your ultimate guide for learning how to identify hundreds of plants to treat a variety of illnesses, symptoms, conditions, bumps, bruises, and more. It is a survival guide infused with natural remedies that can be put together with plants from the earth. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Everything you learn is 100% safe and natural, and without the long list of potential side effects that often come with conventional medicines. The natural remedies you learn also help treat and heal whatever it is you're using it for, instead of masking the symptoms with a prescription. So, whether you're looking to find a natural alternative for physical, mental, or emotional health conditions or for cleaning products, bug repellents, and more, here's everything you can expect from the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. What is the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies about? The world is infused with plants full of medicinal properties that have been used for thousands of years to treat various diseases, illnesses, symptoms, conditions, and health concerns. It's only recently that people started to steer away from the natural remedies due to prescription medications being readily available. However, prescription medications rarely treat the root cause of the problem and instead, only mask the symptom. They're also expensive, potentially harmful, and often come with a long list of side effects that are sometimes worse than what you're using the medicine for in the first place. However, learning about the different plants and what they can do for your health and wellness can be time-consuming. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies has done all of the research for you and has put everything together into a comprehensive guide complete with every natural remedy you can think of. It includes 300 pages worth of plants, trees, herbs, shrubs, and flowers from across the globe and provides you with natural remedies for each. It also teaches you how to identify, harvest, and use each plant for different treatments, and how to grow them on your own. Since there are so many different plants and remedies to choose from, the program has separated them into different categories to make it easy to navigate to what you need. These categories include backyard weeds, wild plants in Great Plains, trees and shrubs, coastal, tropical, and water-loving plants, nationwide plants, household remedies, forests and woodlands. This list helps you narrow in on the plants that are within your area, instead of having to sift through a ton of information only to find that the plant you're reading about can't be found in your location. These categories make it easy to find out what plants you can harvest wherever you are, whether you're on vacation at the beach or walking through a forest. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Another excellent thing the guide comes with is an index of the different things plants can be used for. So, if you're looking for treatment for a specific thing, such as joint pain, you can find this in the list and it will tell you which pages have remedies for this specific thing. But you receive much more than just that. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies comes with an abundance of valuable information, from preventative measures you can take with plants to full treatment of specific conditions. You learn everything from how to maintain healthy blood pressure levels to treating a snakebite, calming down your nervous system, and everything in between. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Everything is also digital, so you receive immediate access as soon as you purchase and can download the guide right onto your laptop, smartphone, tablet, or desktop computer. This is great for ensuring you have the natural remedies you need wherever you go. And since it's digital, you don't have to carry around a big book with you wherever you go. The program is stored on your device and is available as you need it. Now, if you're new to natural remedies and just how effective they can be, you can give this program a try risk-free for 2 months with the 60-day money-back guarantee. This is ample time to see just how essential it is to have this guide in your collection. It is the ultimate first aid kit. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Who is the author of the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies? The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies was created by Claude Davis, as well-renowned survivalist and expert within the natural remedy industry. He began learning about natural alternatives to conventional medicines many years ago from his grandfather, who was a doctor. Claude has also published several survivalist guides and successful programs online. Summary of the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is the ultimate guide for learning how you can treat almost every health condition, concern, disease, or symptom naturally. It is a comprehensive guide that comes with over 300 pages of natural remedies for physical, mental, and emotional health concerns. All of the plants are separated into a category based on where they can be located. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Each plant also comes with detailed instructions on identifying, harvesting and using the plant, for what types of things it can be used for, step-by-step instructions for using them and making natural remedies, and more. To give you a better idea of what you can expect, here's a look at anise hyssop, which you can find in the wild plants in Great Plains category. What anise hyssop is, how to identify it, the edible uses of anise hyssop, the medical uses for anise hyssop, recipes for tea, recipes for essential oil uses, sores, wounds, burns, facilitates digestion, diarrhea, sore muscles and anxiety, colds, flu, bronchial congestion, herpes, athlete's foot, fungal skin infections, yeast overgrowth, poison ivy. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. As for an idea of what types of things you learn how to treat, soothe, and cure with this program, here's a very brief look at some examples. Bone conditions, cancers, childhood diseases and problems, such as bedwetting, colic, teething, etc. Dental problems, such as swollen gums, gingivitis, cavities, toothache, etc. Digestive problems, such as abdominal pain, bloating, constipation, Crohn's disease, food positioning, heartburn, IBS, etc. Drug addictions, eye issues, such as cataracts, inflammation, conjunctivitis, styes, night blindness, etc. Female issues, such as amenorrhea, childbirth, contraception, fertility, postpartum depression, sex drive, etc. Glands, heart and circulatory system, infectious diseases, kidneys, lungs, male issues, nervous system problems. And the list goes on. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. There are several more things listed, with several symptoms and conditions listed under each. Pretty much everything and anything is covered in this program if there is a natural remedy or cure for it. The verdict: the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is the ultimate guide for natural remedies and cures that should be in every home, school, hospital, and daycare. It should be in every hiker's pack, campground, conservation, etc. It is a survivalist guide that can be used in the case of an emergency, bump, bruise, or symptom, and can also be used daily as an alternative to conventional medicines. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. You can even begin growing your own medicinal garden with this guide, and you have 2 months to see just how valuable it is with the 60-day money-back guarantee. My final recommendation is to pick the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies from its official website in the first link below, follow it up and then come back here again to let us know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful content.